Hi there, I'm Julia, and in this video, I'll show you how I brought my top tweets back to life and doubled my impressions without writing a single new tweet. Every time someone retweeted my post, I noticed a pattern. My impressions went up, engagement grew, my account got attention. So I thought, why not reshare those same tweets that already worked? But the problem was, Twitter doesn't let you sort tweets by retweets. That's where Circleboom Twitter saved me. Here's what I did. First, I opened post engagement analytics on Circleboom. Then I sorted all my tweets by retweet count, and boom, I had a list of my most shared posts. From there, I had options. I used the auto-retweet button to reshare them automatically over time. I just rescheduled them to post again at better times. Circleboom handled the rest. And sometimes, I clicked rewrite with AI to give them a fresh spin. No rewriting from scratch, no manual posting. And the result? More impressions, more engagement, more consistency, with way less effort. If you've ever had a tweet that performed well, let it shine again. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and follow for more smart Twitter growth tips.